Hey guys, today I'm checking out this solar Wi-Fi trail camera that I received for event purposes, and I think that it's really nice because you can use it for hunting, for monitoring your house, for your cattle, for your pets, or if you wanna, well, take a look at wildlife, you can leave it. We have in here the instruction manual and the solar panel, okay, which I think that it's really nice. You can connect it with this charging port, okay. I'm gonna leave it on this side, minutes. Then we get the main body. Okay, this is it. We're gonna remove all the film. Set this back. And we have it right here. We got two screw holes right here and here, and the charging port so we can place the solar panel, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And this is the main screen. We can have in here the SD memory card. You say 32 gigabytes comes included. I'm going to place it back in. We can turn it on, have it on test mode or off with this level, and we can control it right here. We can access the menu and everything, which I think it's really, really nice. I'm going to also take the film off. We have in here the strap so we can place it upon a tree, a post, or whenever we need it, which I think that it's going to be really handy. And we have a USB A to Type-C in case that we need it, okay? We also have in here the mounting base, okay? With some hardware to install it, which I think that it's going to come really, really handy. So that's everything that comes included, and I'm going to go ahead and test it out, okay? I'm going to download the application because it comes with an application that you can use it so you can watch the videos, all the recordings, and all the notifications, which I think is going to come really handy if you are camping, hunting, whatever you do. So let me go ahead and test it out. We can have a maximum resolution of 60 megapixels when we are taking photos with it, which I think that it's really, really nice. And with the video resolution, we can have up to 4K video, making it a really great choice. And what I like about it is that you can have the date, the time on it, so we can be recording and has the selected time. And we also have the temperature that it's on the ambient right now, which I think that it's really, really nice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and download the application so I can connect it to it and have all the recordings and all the photos that I take ready with me.
Through the application, we can access to the live feed, we can take recordings and even take photos, which I think that it's great. We can also access to all the notifications that it has recorded automatically when motion is detected. It will take photos, it will take videos, and we can access it and download it into our application. We can also see all the important information about it, which I think that it's great. And we can access to the settings and we can set it up, how much time it will be working up and everything like that. With its high efficiency solar power, this camera is designed to operate during periods up to 30 days with its minimum power consumption, a great choice for remote wireless monitoring. The main unit is equipped with a 120 degrees wide angle camera that allows you to capture beautiful images and videos, and its 2-inch intricate color LCD screen, you can review your recordings and images out in the wild. The camera can activate instantly upon detecting any kind of movement, and its night vision mode will allow you to get a remarkable image without it being overexposed like many other different type of outdoors camera. It has an IP66 rating, which means that it's water and dust proof, making it a perfect for any kind of challenge. It can withstand temperature from -4 degrees up to 140, and its rugged design can handle any snowstorm, desert heat, or humid space.
So this Fargarloo solar trail camera, it's actually a really great option if you want to go hunting, or you know, have your house monitor from a safe distance. If you are in a forest or anything like that, you can just attach it to a tree, which I think that it's really, really nice. With the solar panel, makes it really reliable to have it outdoors whenever you need it, and making sure that you won't run out of battery, as it has a really powerful battery that doesn't run out that easily. It has a large capacity, which I think that it's great. And overall, I really like it, and I would really recommend it. It has a great image quality with the photos, the videos, making it a great choice. See you guys.